Jose Altuve of the Houston was operated Friday on his injured right knee. Altuve is expected to be ready for spring training next year. Altuve served as Houston's designated hitter in the last 3 games of his 5 lost games in the American League Championship Series against the Boston Red Sox because of what had been described as a knee injury. Astros manager AJ Hinch acknowledged on the Thursday before Game 5 that Altuve was playing on one leg and that the 2017 AL MVP would not have played if it was a regular season contest. "I feel really bad for not being on the field for my team," said Altuve. "But one thing you can know is that I gave everything I had, healthy, not healthy, that's all I have." Altuve, 28, hit .315 with 13 homers and 61 RBIs in 137 games this season for the Astros. He hit .265 in 8 postseason games.